Welcome! In front of me I have Maimo Watch DCAE and I'm gonna show you how to change the screen timeout duration on this watch. Basically how quickly the screen turns off after you stop using your device. First we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the side button. Once you wake up the screen, press the side button again to open the menu. Now scroll through the menu and look for the settings icon, and once you find it, tap on it to enter the settings. In settings you should see the brightness option, tap on it, and here we have the screen on time option. Select it, and right here you have the list of durations, and we have 5 seconds, 6, 7, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 rather, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20. So it goes from 5 up to 20 seconds. Select the duration you like, and then you can tap on the check mark to confirm. And now my screen on time is 15 seconds, so if I don't touch anything like the button or the screen for 15 seconds, it will turn off automatically to save the power. So it should be quite soon. Yeah. Okay, and that's how you change the screen timeout duration on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.